Irish. Where in Ireland was that supposed to be from? Well, quite clearly it wasn't good enough. So, my Irish accent comes from a girl that I met who was from Dublin. And so I've basically got her in my mind when I'm doing my Irish accent. But if, like there's so many different Irish accents right across the country, like you could drive 20 minutes and there'll be a new Irish accent, right? But what I'd love is if you could go to the Accent Bank, which is a website that I've built purely so that I can get people to record their voices and I can listen to them so I can learn how to do it better. But yeah, so when I'm doing my videos as well, like it's hard because I'm saying like loads of different accents one after the other, and so my brain is like firing on like far too many cylinders to be even counting. And so if I do make a mistake, I'm not perfect. But yeah, so bottle of water. I don't know. I don't think, maybe I didn't do it right. I don't know. But the link to the Accent Bank is in my bio. And I'm coming to Ireland next year. So let's meet up. Let's go down the pub and have a drink and teach me how to do the Irish accent, like spot on, right? Because that's what I'd like to do. I can kind of do a Northern Irish accent, I think. Again, that's so totally different. I listen to Mammy Bander for her Northern Irish accent. I love watching her content. It's so good and it's so funny. And again, it's a totally different type of accent. So when I'm doing my accents, I literally think of that person and then try to emulate how they sound. Because it's hard, right? I suddenly went American there. It's hard. Anyway, I'm trying.